Medium to large. Linya, 100. Linya. And ano kami yata to? May na lang cute. Medium to large, 100. Cute. Large XL. Mine Azul, 100. Azul. Azul, 100. Mine Teddy Bear. Large XL, 100. Teddy Bear. Mine Kuneho. Medium semi-large, 100. Kuneho. Large size. Box. 100 box. Large XL. Royal. 100 Royal. Royal. Ano, mga gray to. Sulat. Medium size. 100. Neon. 100. May dirt na tatanggal yan. Neon. 100. Mine pula, medium semi-large, 100 pula. Mine blouse, large size, 100 blouse. Color brown. Medium to large, brown, 100. Mine kamuka, large size, 100. Brown, 100. Kamuka, 100. Mga cotton to. Hooded shirt, hoodie. Medium to large, 100. Hoodie. Large XL, feather. 100. Feather. Mine, feather. Basic black din. Code ako dyan, black. Medium to large, 100. Black. Large XL, orange, 100 orange. Last 10 items mga sis mamaya. Sale po tayo, 50 to 100 ha. Ayan yung mga 100 dito. Flex ko na. Para mamaya ibang item na yung flex na. Last flex mga sis. Small, medium, stretchable. Kudo ko dyan, stripe. 100 stripe. Medium to semi-large. Mine red, 100. Red. Mine design, large XL, 100. Design. Design, 100. Brown. Tingnan ko lang sus ko kasi sila. Kamukha kasi sila eh. Mas malaki yung isa lang. Kamukha. Ito yata si brown. SSD, sis Mayet. Hey sis, good afternoon. Large size. Code na lang dyan, stripe. 100. Stripe. Mine, Playboy, 100. Large XL. Playboy, 100.
Ito ba sa Binek?
Binek. Large XL. Blue, 100. Blue. Mine, blue. Pasada lang ako sa mga knitted. Ha? Baka may magkagusto. Small, medium, puff, 100. Napakaganda. Puff, 100. Ito yung pinang-intro ko kagabi. Mine, nice, 100. Small, medium, semi-large. Nice. Boho, large XL, 100. Boho. Boho. Abstract, medium to large, semi-large. Abstract, 100. Abstract. Large XL, ganda oh. Mine ganda, 100. Ganda. Tignan nyo to. Mine ako dyan, style. Medium to large, 100. Style. Style, 100. Medium to large. Ganda oh. Mine wine, 100. Oh, long sleeve, 100. Medium to large. Long sleeve. Color pink. Medium, semi-large. Pink 100, pink. Pink. Large XL, tricolor 100. Large XL, Daisy 100. Ganda nito. 3/4 lang siya. Medium size, medium 100, medium. Mine, medium. Large size hanggang XL. Ganda ng kulay, oh. Kulay, 100. Best fit, small, medium. Sporty, 100. Sporty. Mine, butones. Medium to large, 100. Butones. Ayan. Pwede nyo i-screenshot pag nagustuhan nyo yung mine sa kita. Okay? Last few items. Hoodie, 100. Medium to large. Hoodie. Hoodie. Mine, tale. Medium to large. Tale, 100. O, parang cardigan na blue. Small, medium. Cardigan, 100. Cardigan. Mine, candy. Medium to large, 100. Candy. Candy, 100. Next. Medium to large. Mine, round. 100 round. O, last item muna. Last two pala. May Uniqlo dun. Large XL. Blue, 100. Last item, Uniqlo mga sis. 150 na lang. Small, medium. Uniqlo, 150. Okay, pwede mag-rewatch ng live or manood po kayo mamayang 7 onwards, 50 to 100. Start tayo ng sale tomorrow. Ay, tonight. Ayan. See you again later. Thank you so much.